Hey there, space enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the mesmerizing world of comets. You know those icy, rocky bodies that streak across our sky with stunning tails? Let's uncover their secrets. Comets are often called dirty snowballs because they're a mix of frozen water, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and rocky debris. When far from the sun, they're just inert lumps of ice and rock, but as they get closer, things heat up. The sun's warmth causes the ice to sublimate, turning directly into gas. This creates a glowing cloud around the nucleus called the coma. And those spectacular tails? Comets actually have two. The ion tail, pushed by solar wind, points straight away from the sun, while the dust tail, influenced by sunlight, lags behind, creating that classic dazzling image. Some famous comets have really made their mark. Comet Halley, for instance, was seen back in 1066 and even depicted in the Bayeux Tapestry. More recently, Comet McNaught wowed us in 2007, visible even in broad daylight. And who could forget Comet Hale-Bopp in 1997, which had distinct blue-green and yellowish tails? But it's not just about the looks. Comets have been key to understanding our own origins. Missions like Vega 1 and Giotto in the 1980s and Rosetta in 2014 have given us close-up views of these cosmic wanderers. Rosetta in particular revealed Comet 67P's bizarre rubber ducky shape and its unexpected hard surface. And get this, comet impacts might have delivered significant amounts of water and organic molecules to early Earth. Think about that. The building blocks of life potentially hitching a ride on these celestial time machines. So next time you glimpse a comet, remember, you're looking at a piece of our solar system's ancient history, and maybe even a clue to our own origins. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic wonders. See you next time, space travelers.